This is me. A few months ago, trying my absolute best to make a game in just 10 seconds.
It's impossible. It's just impossible.
In fact, for the past 5 days, I've been trying to make a game in just 10 seconds. And why, you may ask? Well, just a couple of months ago, I made a video about the game I made in 1 hour, and a few minutes after uploading the video, I guess I gotta make a game in 10 seconds. Okay, so here's how we're gonna do this one. It's almost impossible to make a fully functioning and working game in just 10 seconds. So we're gonna separate every single aspect of the game dev process into its own 10 seconds because I feel like that's a way more logical way to do this.
Basically, every single aspect of the game dev process will have its own 10 seconds. Like the programming aspect, the main game design aspect, the UI design aspect, and like the game art aspects. I don't know, I'll probably separate them into like 4 different parts. So at the end of the day, we'll use basically like 40 seconds. I know it's not 10 seconds, but 40 seconds is literally still a crazy amount of time to make a full game that's playable. So let's get into it.
But before we rush into anything, we first have to create the Unity project. And while creating the Unity project, I'm going to run you down on the idea I have for this game. So I'm not going to try and make no 3D game. In fact, not even a 2D game. I'm not going anywhere that will take me more than 2 seconds to think of. So I'm going to make the good old clicker game. Yeah, just like Cookie Clicker. Even a cookie clicker game in 10 seconds is just going to be impossible. And that's because, first of all, you actually need to create the UI aspect of the game. And oh, Unity is open. Every clicker game has a button and text to show the score of the clicking, I guess. So in 10 seconds, I'm going to try and, place button and text on the screen. Okay, let's go.
Start the timer. So we'll go to UI and go to button text mesh pro. Now I'm not doing anything on the screen so the time can stay paused. I'm not doing anything on the screen. So I have 6 seconds for the UI now. So we just save this as button, we just save this as normal button, and we're done. And then we'll go to UI, and
in just 8 seconds I was able to form out this really ugly looking text and button UI shit on screen. I know it looks ugly right now, but chill out. Trust the process. For every clicker game to work, you need the logic that is going to be imputed in the game, and this is where the scripting aspect of the game comes in. Now, let me just tell you, it is impossible to write code in 10 seconds, except you're a really fast computer programmer or you are some form of artificial intelligence like ChatGPT or something. And since I'm none of those, I'm just going to use the good old copy and paste. And don't get me wrong, copy and paste may sound easy to you, but I only have 10 seconds to literally copy a whole logic for a game. I don't think it's going to be easy. First of all, we're going to start by looking for a script that I pre-made in the past, and I just have the right script for it. The whole logic is literally written out in this script that I made a while ago. So here's how we're going to do this. Well, first of all, we're going to need a reference to the text mesh pro, which is basically text in Unity. And then we're going to have a float for time. And then in the update function, we're going to convert that float into string, or basically number into text. If you don't get any of these, don't worry, I don't get it too. I'm just reading off a script, I guess. So now that the logic is set out, it's time to go and basically steal my former code in just 10 seconds.
Right, okay, this is going to be really hard. I cannot write code in 10 seconds. Like, it is impossible. It's literally impossible to write code in 10 seconds. Just 10 seconds. So I don't know yet, but let's just see. Okay, the timer has started, and okay. No, not spawn time. Freak. Shit. No. Keep writing again. Delete everything and start from beginning. This is going to take forever, but hopefully we get it right. So I'm just going to come here and copy time. So what we need to format is we just say text.text equals time dot to string. That's what we need to do. In fact, I'm doing the good old copy and paste here. I think it will be faster if I just do that way. Yeah, it will be faster. So I'll just first copy this. And the 10 seconds, since I cleared everything, 10 seconds is given again, and 10 seconds just started, copy and paste. Then we come here, TM Pro. Shit, I'm stressed out.
In after like 10 minutes, I was finally able to copy and paste the whole logic of the game in just 10 seconds.
Once again, we copy that one, quickly take that one, and no, copy that one, slowly take that one, and quickly take this one. Ready, set, go. So we come here on hold update. Come here on. I did it.
So all I have to do is save everything and go back to Unity. Yeah, everything doesn't work. Yeah, I think I need to copy the last part. I forgot the last part of the code. So yes, I had to go through the whole process and try to copy everything again in 10 seconds. Shut up, I'm not crying. You're crying. Okay. V, come back. C, come back. V, come back. C, V, then I've done it. I've written the code. I was finally done, and all I needed to do was arrange some bits of the UI, and I made a game in 10 seconds, I guess. I mean, it works, I guess. What the fuck did I just make? It's not a good looking game, but it was made in somewhat of 10 seconds. It was probably made in like 40 seconds if you calculate all the time I actually worked on the game. If this video gets 30 likes, I'm going to make another game, but in 1 second this time.